Okay, so how to add a custom voice AI agent to any website in minutes. That's what I will show you in this video through an easy step-by-step tutorial. But first, let's see a demo in action. Hello?
Hello, welcome to NeuroFirst website. How can I help you?
Hey there, can you please tell me more about your services?
Sure, we offer a variety of AI services to help businesses boost their sales and margins. We can help you with custom AI development, automation, AI consulting, and AI research. What are you most interested in?
Can you please tell me more about automation?
Of course, our automation services are all about replacing manual work with incredibly efficient processes that combine AI and software. This can lead to huge gains in productivity and margins for your business. It's especially useful for repetitive tasks that don't require a lot of brainpower. Think about companies like agencies, lawyers, or accountants. Would you like to hear some examples of how we've helped other businesses with automation?
Yeah, can you please tell me more about some case studies that you have maybe?
Sure, we helped a discount store chain boost their sales during the grand opening of a new store. We set up an AI and automation system to increase the number of clients coming in on opening day. They were super happy with the results because they had over 1,000 clients come in during their grand opening. We also helped a public relations and communication agency in New York City automate the scheduling of their social media postings on LinkedIn. Does that sound interesting?
Yeah, that sounds interesting. Can you please tell me more about the founder's background?
Our founder, Smail is an experienced AI and machine learning engineer. He has a demonstrated history of working in the AI R&D field with 5 scientific deep learning research papers and 3 years of experience in this field. He also has 7 years of experience building complex full-stack web applications. He can definitely help you leverage AI to give your company superpowers. Would you like to learn more about his research background?
No, I'm okay, but how to contact you basically?
You can contact us by sending an email to hello@neurofirst.com. Would you like to receive an SMS to book a meeting with us?
No, I'm fine, thanks. Bye-bye.
Okay, thanks for chatting. Take care.
So before we get started, I want to tell you guys quickly about our special offer we're running for January 2025. So we'll build your AI/automation prototype for only $750. Those normally start at $3,500. There is only one spot left, so hurry up if you want to take advantage of this offer. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so the very first thing that you want to do is to go to 11 Labs website. I'll put the link in the description. Then you should log in. You'll choose which account to use, to log in, but just to make it easy, just select your Google account. Now, if you have already logged in 11 Labs website before, you should see something like that. Next, you want to click on Conversational AI. And then Agents. Here you should click on this plus button. Let's give it a name. Agents website. Then you should always be selecting blank template and then click on create agent. So here for the language, just keep it as English. And then for the first message, I will send you the prompt and everything, but here I basically wrote hello and welcome to NeuroFirst website. So you should just replace this thing by your website's name, and then how can I help you? Okay, so the prompt is pretty long. I included the main objective, some style guardrails, some response guidelines, and of course the main role that the agent is supposed to follow. I also added some services, so my own services, some examples of past successful case studies that we had with our clients, my own background, and also how to contact my agency in case people are interested. Here for the LLM, you should be using Gemini 1.5 Flash. And for the temperature, you should set it as 0.2. Now you can see that for the tools, I have one additional tool called Send SMS. This will be covered in the next video. But for now, just leave it as it is. So you should have only end call here. The next step is the voice. So just click on it. Here, I like to use Victoria Lennon because I think she's very lively and sounds really realistic. This option of optimizing streaming latency, I keep it as 3. For the stability, I set it as 0.2. And for the similarity, I set it as 0.55. Now the widget tab is the one that is the most interesting because it allows us to do the actual integration in our website. but also to customize, the AI through the background color or some text. So you can choose to change the background color, as you can see here. This text color can also be changed, as you can see. The color of the button can be changed through this input here, and the same thing for the text. You can also play on the radius of the card and the button. Here for the avatar, normally you should have by default this, animation. But what I like to do is to go to image and then, choose your logo or something that represents your brand. Here, even if it is advised to use an image that is 172 by 172 pixels, the one that I use has a size of 198 by 198 pixels. And then of course you can also personalize this text that you can see here. So here I wrote talk to our AI, but you can also say, for example, call our AI. And here we can also write, for example, start it now. Okay, so now I will show you how to do the actual integration, meaning embedding our AI agent inside a website. So the first thing that you will do is to copy this code by clicking on this button here. Then you will go to the HTML file of your web page, and inside of the head tag, right before the end of the head tag, you will paste that widget. So now once you open your website, you should see this appear. So a way to talk to your AI directly. The only bad side is that here you will see written this powered by 11 Labs conversational AI, which is not a good thing, if you want to look professional. But I actually found a way to get rid of this. So if you are really serious about this and want to implement it for your own website or want to offer it as a service for other businesses, just join my Discord community and I will show you how to get rid of the watermark. You can subscribe if you want more videos like this. I'm thinking of creating content about RAG systems. And by the way, last month I closed a pretty big AI project that I priced at 62K, and I decided to document everything: who the client is, what's the specific problem they're currently facing, how am I going to solve it, and I also include a detailed breakdown of the cost. And I did that in a video that you can watch here. Cheers guys!